Hello friends, today's our topic is atomic masses and composition of nucleus. See, here we are having now size of atomic level. So atomic size is very small. Is for example, we want to find some mass of some object. Is for example, it is one block, right? So mass of that block may be 4 kilogram, but here we have to deal with atomic level. So atomic level masses are very small, that's why we have to take some smaller value of atoms, means smaller value of values, to define these smaller terms. So atomic level masses are in of atomic level, so that's why we have to put some different units to them, right? So it's for example how we define these atomic masses. So it's for example here we are having one carbon which have atomic number 12, right? Oh, that is atomic mass 6C12. So 6 is our atomic number and 12 is our atomic mass. Okay, now 6C12. So mass of 6C12 upon its 12 means its atomic mass. So we have to divide its atomic mass. So mass of 6C12. So for example, we are having 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 26 kg upon 12. Answer will be 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. So this value, this particular value, we are denoting it with one U, which is called 1 AMU, atomic mass unit. So that is the value of one atomic mass unit, 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram, right? So that is our fixed value. Now this carbon is the reference of this mass, right? So here we have to take always this, means atomic level. So 1 U we are using for atomic level dimensions, right? Okay, now in this particular topic is for example we are having chlorine. Now chlorine having two isotopes, two different isotopes, is for example 34.98 and 36.98. So these are in AMU unit, right? So here if we want to find chlorine percentage, so for chlorine percentage, see 34.98, they have given our percentage also. It is for example this of isotope we are having 75.4 and this 36.98, it is 26.6. Sorry, here we have to write 25.6. Okay, here 24.6, because this plus this will be 100%, right? So divide by 100, answer will be somewhat 35.7 AMU. So we can also call this value, it is the average mass of chlorine. So it is 35.7 AMU, right? Okay, so this we are talking about unit of kilogram, means unit of atoms, right? Okay, now we have to talk about neutrons. See, one proton, mass of one proton is 1.7 AMU. So we have to multiply 1.7 into this, we get mass of proton. Similarly, mass of neutron, it is similar like to this value, means 1.7 into U, because mass of proton and mass of neutrons are of same values. Their mass are equal, somewhat little difference, but it will be negligible, right? So here neutrons and protons, see how can we find the neutrons? So the neutrons formula, capital A is equal to Z plus N. Now we can find neutron number by this formula. So N is equal to A minus Z. Now what is A? A is our atomic mass. We can call it also it as nucleons. So A is nucleons and A is the sum of atomic number and neutron numbers, right? Capital N is the number of neutrons, and always remember that neutrons are always chargeless, so it don't have any charge. Okay, so that is our neutrons. So that's it for today now.